Welcome back, mamas. Today, I want to talk about a subject that I do get some questions on. So you might be wondering the same thing. Why do we blend coaching and inner healing together? And aren't they two completely different things? But not really. Not when you understand how transformation actually happens. So let me explain. Inner healing creates the space to deal with the root, the beliefs, the emotional wounds, the spiritual agreements we didn't even realize were shaping how we show up in life. And coaching gives us the tools to walk out that healing in practical ways through accountability, action steps, and mindset shifts that create real forward movement. You can have a powerful encounter with God, but if you don't renew your mind or change your patterns, it's easy to fall back into that same stuck place. You can have a great coach, but if you never deal with the heart level pain, all you're doing is performance. You need both. You need a safe place to cry, ask questions, process trauma, and let Jesus speak truth to the lies that have shaped your identity. And you also need someone to challenge you, encourage you, and hold you accountable to the new story God is writing through you. That's why I bring these two things together: prophetic heart healing and kingdom coaching. This is about creating a life you don't have to escape from, about being seen, known, and equipped spiritually and practically. This is where healing meets growth, where identity meets action, and where wholeness meets purpose. So if you've ever thought, I've done the work, but I still feel stuck, or I know what to do, but I can't seem to do it, this is for you. You're not too broken. You're not behind. You're just ready for a different kind of support. So go ahead and let me walk with you.